Hey guys, welcome back. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Kayla. So for today's video, I will be installing this gorgeous wig that I'm wearing. And this wig, y'all, is from Asteria Hair. So I will be showing you guys how I install this wig from start to finish. But let me give you guys a little tea. I didn't even have to touch these curls. It actually came like this. Let's get into it.
You might have been playing with, makes me wonder who you think.
So right here I got my wig, and then they send you like a bunch of stuff. So you get an edge brush, a pom-pom, and what is this called? Just like a satin bag. You also get a satin bag to put up your wig, and a melt band. So yeah, that is pretty much everything that comes with your unit. Okay, do you guys see that hairline? It's looking really plucked. So let me take this off. Ooh, we got some pretty curls. Look at the hairline. Alright, y'all, so this is what the hairline is looking like. As you guys can see, it does come pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and it's looking really good against my skin tone. So I really wouldn't need to go in and add any lace tint or no foundation to this. I hope not, at least. But so far, it's looking really good. Alright y'all, so now it's time to take down my hair. I've had my band on for about 5 minutes. I usually do not leave my band on for too long just because I feel like it's not needed. As long as you get a good melt, does not matter how long you leave it on, but I do like 2 to 5 minutes max. So let's go ahead and remove this band. Ooh. Okay, you guys see that melt? A lot of times when you do remove your band, there is like a little harsh line right here. What I usually like to do to get rid of that is just go with your foundation powder, or I know certain people use their contour powder, and just go right across the lace. Now this is what the wig is looking like, and as you guys can see, it does already come with some curls on it. So I would normally take a white teeth comb, but I can't find any of my combs right now, so I'm gonna use a brush to just brush out the curls and see what it's working with. I like to start at the end and work my way up. Okay. Oh, that is so full and nice. Wow. Like I said, start at the end and work your way up. Wow, this actually looks really good. I was even thinking that I probably would have needed to go back in and curl up some of the curls, but no. I am thoroughly impressed. So pretty. Some of the hair I'm just like running my hot comb down into it. You guys, this hair is so gorgeous. What? Oh my gosh. And the hair feels amazing. It's super soft. It's silky. I'm not even getting like... Okay, one two shine is coming out while running my fingers through it, but it's like nothing crazy. So like, I don't know if you guys can see. That's pretty much... Ooh. You can't even really see it because there's actually nothing like that coming out. The shedding is very minimal, so on 1-2 strand, that is it. I just love how I did not have to go in and restyle the hair. The hair already came pre-curled. All I had to do was brush it out and achieve these gorgeous curls. It's definitely giving bombshell vibes. I love how big the curls are. I'm also really loving how thick this hair is. So this is a 250 density. It does says it here on the packet. It's a 250 density HD lace, 26 inches, and I believe this is a body wave. Also, I got a large size cap. I feel like it's a little big because I do have like a lot of space back here. But other than that, I feel like I should have gotten a medium. I feel like it would have fit even more perfect. I'm not complaining though because it does look good overall. But yeah, the large is like really big. If you have a huge head, the large is perfect for you. But I do have like a lot of room back here. And to be quite frank, I had like no expectations with this wig. I was just like going with the flow. I'm like, okay, let me see what it's gonna give. But this definitely surpassed whatever I kind of had in mind. I just did not expect it to look this good because obviously I've had actually, let me make sure this is even a body wave texture for you guys. 1 second. Yeah, so it is a body wave unit. Let me just read you guys the exact details on this wig. So it's a body wave unit. This is their 13x6 26 inch 250 density body wave unit, and it is nothing but fullness. The curls are amazing and the hair just feels like such good quality hair. I feel like this is a wig that will definitely last me a while. You can just tell when some hair is given luxury. And this right here is definitely giving all that and more. So yeah, I'm so impressed with this unit, you guys. Again, this wig is from Asteria Hair. This is what the hair is looking like now that I'm finished with installing her. It's given ready for the runway. Like, I'm ready for a photo shoot. Like, and just the fact that I did not have to go in and style this hair, I'm really amazed at that. So this wig in my books is definitely a 10 out of 10. Absolutely amazing. I will have everything linked down below for you guys if you guys are interested in this unit. Thank you guys so much for tuning back in. If you did enjoy this video, give me a big thumbs up, like, comment, share, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.